The compact SUV market continues to evolve, and Subaru is staying in the game with the refreshed 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid. Known for its rugged capability, standard all-wheel drive, and outdoorsy appeal, the Crosstrek Hybrid adds electrification to Subaru's lineup, making it a compelling choice for eco-conscious drivers who don't want to compromise on versatility. In today's video, we'll explore what's new in the 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid, how it performs, and whether it's worth your attention in an increasingly crowded hybrid SUV field. Refined yet familiar design. From the outside, the 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid maintains its recognizable design language but introduces subtle refinements. The front fascia has been slightly reshaped for a more aggressive and aerodynamic profile, while new LED lighting elements and grille patterns give the Crosstrek a modernized look. Hybrid-specific blue accents subtly indicate its eco-friendly intentions, while exclusive wheels and badging help it stand out from the standard Crosstrek trims. It's still compact enough to navigate tight urban streets, yet rugged enough for off-road trails. A balanced Subaru continues to strike well. Interior comfort and technology. Inside, the Crosstrek Hybrid sees meaningful improvements. Subaru's 11.6-inch Starlink touchscreen is now standard, offering an intuitive interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Material quality has taken a step up, with soft touch surfaces and a more premium feel overall. Front seats are supportive for long drives, and there's decent space for rear passengers despite the vehicle's compact footprint. The cargo area is slightly compromised due to the battery pack placement, but it remains practical for weekend getaways or grocery runs. Underfloor storage is optimized to compensate, and the rear seats fold flat for larger items. Hybrid powertrain and performance. The 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid pairs a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with two electric motors and a high-capacity lithium-ion battery. Total system output is around 148 horsepower, providing adequate, though not thrilling, acceleration. The real advantage lies in its electric assist, which enhances low-speed torque and improves fuel efficiency without sacrificing Subaru's trademark symmetrical all-wheel drive. The plug-in hybrid setup allows for approximately 20 to 25 miles of all-electric range, perfect for short commutes or errands. Once the battery is depleted, the system seamlessly transitions to hybrid mode, delivering an estimated 38 to 40 mpg combined. Charging is easy with a standard Level 1 home outlet, but a Level 2 charger will reduce charging times to around 2 hours, ideal for daily use. Driving experience. On the road, the Crosstrek Hybrid is composed and confidence-inspiring. Steering is light but precise, and body roll is minimal for a vehicle in this class. The added weight of the battery gives it a slightly lower center of gravity, which improves handling and stability. Off-road, it's more capable than you might expect. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and standard X mode with hill descent control, the Crosstrek Hybrid can handle dirt trails, snow, and light off-roading without breaking a sweat. It's a rare hybrid SUV that invites you to get dirty without guilt. Safety and driver assistance. Subaru continues to prioritize safety, and the 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid is no exception. It comes standard with the latest version of Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and now, lane centering. A new addition for 2026 is a 360-degree camera system, improving visibility in tight spaces and off-road scenarios. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and reverse automatic braking are also available. Value and pricing. The 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid slots in as the most expensive Crosstrek model, with a starting MSRP around $38,000. That's a notable jump over the base gasoline model, but the price includes a host of standard features, such as heated seats, premium audio, navigation, and advanced safety tech. It also qualifies for potential federal and state EV tax incentives, which can bring the cost down significantly for eligible buyers. Factor in fuel savings and lower emissions, and the long-term value starts to make more sense. especially for drivers who can regularly take advantage of the EV range. Competition and alternatives. In the hybrid SUV space, the Crosstrek Hybrid competes with the Toyota RAV4 Prime, Ford Escape plug-in hybrid, and Hyundai Tucson plug-in hybrid. While those models offer more power and longer EV ranges, the Crosstrek shines with its standard AWD, off-road credibility, and unique Subaru character. If you need more space or a longer electric range, one of the competitors might be a better fit. But if you value adventure-ready features in a smaller, greener package, the Crosstrek Hybrid still holds a niche appeal. Final thoughts. The 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid isn't the most powerful or longest-range plug-in hybrid on the market, but it delivers a rare combination of efficiency, off-road capability, and everyday practicality. It's perfect for drivers who love the outdoors but also want to reduce their environmental impact. Subaru fans looking to go green without giving up what they love about the brand will find the Crosstrek Hybrid a satisfying choice. It's not for everyone, but it does what it's designed to do, quietly and effectively. If you want a hybrid SUV that can take you beyond the pavement, the 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid is well worth a test drive.